Some questions in mathematics can lead us to using simultaneous equation to solve them. And this is one of them. So in this topic, we are going to look at how to apply simultaneous equation in some of the problems we have in mathematics. Now let's read this. We have two lines, 3y minus 2x is equal to 21, and 4y plus 5x is equal to 5, intersect at the point Q. And we are asked to find the coordinates of Q. This is a wire question. Let me give you a clear picture of what this question entails. These are two lines, and these are straight lines. Whenever you have this kind of equation, a linear equation is talking about a straight line. So we have that these are the two straight lines, and they say that the two straight lines intersect at a point Q. So we have, this is the first straight line, we have 3y minus 2x is equal to 21, and the second straight line is this, which is 4y plus 5x is equal to 5. And these two lines intersected at a point Q. You know that in mathematics, when we talk about points, a point is made up of x and y values. So since a point has x and y values, indirectly, we are asked to find the values of x and y. I remember what I told you earlier, that you can easily identify a simultaneous equation when you have equations in these forms, when you are looking for two unknowns. So now that you know this, you will simply know that this is leading us to using simultaneous equation. You can use any of the methods. You can use the elimination method. You can also use substitution method. So we solve to have 3y minus 2x is equal to 21. 4y plus 5x is equal to 5. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. I hope you are still following. So what do we do here? We can use elimination method. We can also use substitution method. So let's simply use elimination method. By doing so, remember what we treated earlier. The coefficients are not the same for y, and they are not also the same for x. So we are going to make them the same. Is it that you make the coefficients of y to be the same or that of x to be the same? So if we are going for y, what we do is we are going to multiply the whole of this equation 2 by the coefficient of y in equation 1, which is 3. Then for the equation 1, we multiply everything in equation 1 by the coefficient of y in equation 2, which is 4. So we do that to have 4 times 3y will give us 12y, and 4 times minus 2x will give us minus 8x. 4 times 21 will give us 84. Let's go for the second equation. 3 times 4y will give us 12y. 3 times 5x will give us plus 15x, which is equal to 3 times 5 will give us 15. You now see that they now have the same coefficients. And this is plus and this is plus. So we are going to eliminate using a minus. So 12y minus 12y has been killed. Minus 8x minus plus 15x will give us minus 23x. Let me take that again. Minus 8x, that's minus 8 minus plus 15 will give us minus 23x, which is equal to 84 minus 15. Let's subtract. 84 minus 15. This is 7 here, 1. 14 minus 5 will give us 9. And 7 minus 1 will give us 6. So 84 minus 15 will simply give us 69. So what do? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is minus 23. So that x will give us, here is plus, and plus divided by minus will give us minus. When you divide 69 by 23, we are going to have 3. So this is now the value of x. Now that we have gotten the value of x, you can substitute in either equations. You can substitute in equation 1 or in equation 2. So if we are going for equation 1, we are going to have 3y minus 2x is equal to 21. Remember, our x is minus 3. So we have 3y minus 2. Our x is minus 3 is equal to 21. I hope you are still following. Let's conclude it here. To have 3y minus 2 times minus 3 will give us plus 6 is equal to 21. So we have 3y is equal to 21. When this crosses, it will become minus 6. And 21 minus 6 will give us 15. This is 3y. We divide both sides by 3 so that our y will give us 15 divided by 3 will give us 5. In that case, the value of x is minus 3 and the value of y is 5. But remember that the question says find the coordinates. Because the question mentioned coordinates, you cannot leave your answer like this. If you leave it like this, you will not have a mark for the final answer. So what you simply do is to put it in a coordinate form, which will be minus 3 bracket 5. And this is the value for the coordinates of Q. Thank you very much. I hope you really learned a lot today. Please don't forget to try this and give me your answer in the comment section. And don't also forget to like, share, subscribe, and follow. Till we meet another time.